You can have a very deficient chin and a deficient or inadequately grown lower jaw, which can lead to a typical appearance as if your chin and your throat are merged. In such a situation, orthognathic surgery on both your jaw and your chin will definitely help in improving appearance, improving your chewing ability, and also your overall aesthetic outcome. If it is only the chin which is deficient, a simple procedure on your chin would be sufficient. But in some cases, you might need a combination procedure where both your lower jaw and your chin will be lengthened to achieve the best possible result.